Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy Learning English Podcast. I'm Hannah, and today we're going to talk about a very common question. How can you start thinking in English? Many learners tell me, I always translate from Vietnamese to English. It's so slow. Don't worry. In this episode, I'll show you some practical ways to think in English naturally, step by step. First, let's talk about why thinking in English is important. When you always translate, your brain works too hard. It slows you down and you feel nervous when speaking. But if you can think directly in English, you'll speak faster, sound more natural, and feel more confident. It's like driving a car. If you always stop and check the map, you move very slowly. But if you know the road, you just drive smoothly without stopping. Thinking in English is like knowing the road. So, how do we start? The answer is start small. Begin with very simple thoughts. For example, when you wake up in the morning, say in your head, "This is my bed. I'm getting up. I'm brushing my teeth." Don't worry about perfect grammar, just short, easy sentences. You can also talk to yourself in English. Instead of thinking, "Hôm nay mình phải nấu cơm," say, "Today I have to cook rice." And if you don't know a word, try to describe it in English. For example, if you forget the word knife, you can say, "That thing I use to cut vegetables." This way, you keep your brain working in English, not switching back to Vietnamese. Another simple practice is micro thoughts. Just ask yourself small questions in English, like, "What time is it? Where's my phone? I'm hungry. I want coffee." These little thoughts are training for your brain. Now, here is the most important part. Input. To think in English, you need to hear a lot of English first. The more English you listen to, the more natural phrases your brain will remember. For example, if you watch many TV shows and you always hear people say, "I'm on my way," one day you will automatically use it without translating "Tôi đang đi đây." That's because your brain has absorbed it. So, how can you get more input? Number 1, listen every day, even just 10 or 15 minutes. Podcasts, YouTube, audiobooks, or news. Number 2, choose simple content. If it's too hard, you'll stop. Easy is better. Number 3, repeat and shadow. Listen to one short video many times and try to repeat after the speaker. Remember, babies don't start with grammar books. They listen to thousands of hours of language before they speak. You can do the same. So, here's the takeaway. Thinking in English is not magic. It's training. Step 1, start with small, simple thoughts in your daily life. Step 2, listen to English every day. Input is fuel for your brain. Step 3, don't worry about mistakes. Just keep practicing, and slowly, English will become your natural way of thinking. Thank you so much for listening to Easy Learning English Podcast. If this episode helped you, please subscribe and share it with your friends. And here's a little challenge. For the next 5 minutes after this podcast, try to only think in English. You'll see, it's easier than you think. See you in the next episode.